dear students, welcome to social class. In today's class, we are going to learn about geography. In that first chapter, the earth, our living planet. In this chapter, you will learn names of the earth, the size of the earth and distribution of water on it, continent and ocean of the world, latitude and longitudes, time, local time, standard time and international dateline, ocean and continents on the world map. Okay, let us begin our chapter. Before starting, you must know about earth. You all know that we are living on the earth. It is the third planet from the sun. Earth is the home for all forms of life like plants, animals and human beings. Because of its suitable distance from the sun, range of temperature, life supporting gases, atmosphere, water cycle, etc. Earth is called by many names. Some of them living planet, unique planet, watery planet, blue planet, etc. Let us see size of the earth and distribution of land and water bodies. The earth is the fifth largest planet in the sun's family. The diameter of the earth is approximately 4 times greater than the moon and it is around 107 times less than that of the sun. The total geographical area of the earth is 510 million square kilometers, of which 361 million square kilometers means 70.78% is covered by water and 149 million square kilometers means 29.22% is covered by land. Thus, the earth has unequal distribution of land and water. The ratio between the land and the water body is 1:2.43. The earth shape is often described as geoid, which literally means earth-shaped or oblate spheroid. The earth is flattened at the poles and bulged at the equator. The equatorial diameter of the earth is 12,756 km and polar diameter is 12,714 km. Equatorial circumference is 40,076 km and polar circumference is 40,008 km. The difference of 42 km in diameter is the proof for regarding the geoid shape of the earth. The land bodies of the earth are known as continents. There are 7 continents, namely Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. The continents are land masses of large size. Asia is the largest continent in the world, while Australia is the smallest continent. The large water bodies on the earth are called oceans. There are 4 major oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. The Pacific is the largest and deepest ocean, while the Arctic is the smallest and shallowest ocean. The land and water bodies are unevenly distributed between the northern and southern hemisphere. The northern hemisphere has 60% of land and 40% of water. Therefore, it is called the land hemisphere. On the other hand, there is 81% of water and 90% of land in the southern hemisphere, and so it is called the water hemisphere. Let us learn about latitude and longitude. The earth is spherical in shape. Therefore, it is difficult to locate the places, the direction and calculate distance between places. In order to understand the relationship between different places on the earth and their exact location, we have to understand their positions, their distance from any fixed point and also their exact direction. To know the positions and distance, direction, east and west or north and south, a network of lines are drawn on the globe. These are known as lines of latitudes and longitude. The horizontal lines are the lines of latitudes and the vertical ones are the lines of longitudes. These lines intersect each other at right angle and create a network called grid or graticle. Latitude is an imaginary line which joins all the places which have the same angular distance north or south of the equator. It is measured in degrees. The equator 0 degree is the longest line of latitude known as the Great Circle. It is equal to the circumference of the earth. Other lines of latitudes are of shorter length. The length of lines of latitude decrease with the distance from the equator. All lines of latitudes are circle and parallel to equator. Therefore, lines of latitude are called parallels of latitude. There are 90 degrees of latitude on each side of the equator. 90 degrees of north and south are points. Including equator, totally there are 181 latitudes including the equator on the globe. The ground distance between 2 degrees of latitude is 110.4 kilometers. Here are important latitudes. Just go through it. Longitude is the imaginary line that intersect equator at right angle joining the north and south are called longitudes. On the globe, longitudes are shown as a series of semicircles that run from pole to pole, passing through the equator. All lines of longitude are equal length. Lines of longitude are called meridians. Because of all places along the same meridian of longitude experience noon or midday at the same time. Because of all places along the same meridian of longitude, we experience noon or midday at the same time. The meridian passing through Greenwich has been chosen as prime meridian. It is marked as 0 degree longitude. There are 180 of longitude to the east of Greenwich and 180 to the west. Thus, there are 360 of longitude. The zone between the prime meridian and 180 degree east longitude is called the eastern hemisphere. The opposite zone is called the western hemisphere. The distance between two longitudes decreases gradually with the distance from equator. This is because of the meridian of longitude coverage at two poles. On the equator, the distance between two longitude in the meridian is 101 kilometers. Let us see longitude and time. There is a definite relationship between longitude and time. The earth is rotating on its axis and completes one rotation in 24 hours. This means 360 longitudes are covered in a period of 24 hours. This gives rise to a time difference of 4 minutes for every 1 degree of longitude. 60 minutes are 1 hour for every 15 degrees of longitude. The time difference is to be added EGA, means east gain add. In case of place to the east of GMT and in case of places to the west, the time difference is to be subtracted WLS, means west loss subtract. Local time. The time according to the longitude of place or according to the position of sun that places is known as the local time. This is based on the local meridian passing over that places. When the sun is shining vertically over the longitude, it is 12 noon at that place. All places situated on the same meridian have the same local time. Every longitude has its own local time. Standard time. As the local time varies from place to place, it would create considerable confusion if each places were to follow its own local time or other time. So, in order to avoid confusion, many countries follow uniform time throughout the country. Such uniform time is based on the central meridian of the country or the meridian on which the most important city is located. This uniform time, which is followed throughout a country, is called standard time of that country. By applying this, whole country will get the same standard time. In our India, 82.5 degree east longitude is considered as the standard meridian of the country. It passes through Allahabad of Uttar Pradesh. The time based on this meridian is called the Indian Standard Time, IST. It is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Time zone. A time zone is a region of globe that observe a uniform standard time for legal, commercial and social purpose. Some higher latitudes and the temperate zone countries use daylight saving time for part of the year, typically by adjusting local clock time by an hour. The International Date Line. It is established in 1884, passes through the mid-Pacific Ocean and roughly follows a 180 degrees longitude north-south line on the Earth. It is located halfway around the world from the prime meridian, the 0 degrees longitude established in Greenwich, England in 1852. So dear students, this is all about the Earth and our living planet. In this lesson, we have learned about the Earth, the size of the Earth, distribution of water bodies, continent, oceans, world, latitude, longitude and time zones. I hope you all understood this lesson. Let us meet in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.